Good evening students. Today we are going to see about the pectoral region. In the pectoral region we are finding the muscles. This is a pectoralis major, this one is a pectoralis minor and the subclavius serratus anterior. These muscles are seen. First one is the pectoralis major. This one is the pectoralis major. It is a triangular muscle. It takes its origin from two heads. One is clavicular head, another one is the sternal head. Clavicular head takes origin from the medial part of anterior surface of the clavicle. Medial anterior surface of the clavicle. And sternal head from the anterior surface of lateral part of the sternum. And costal part from the second to sixth costal cartilages. So it is a thick triangular muscle and it is a sternoclavicular origin. Sternal head from the lateral border and anterior surface of the sternum up to the sixth rib and second to sixth costal cartilages. Clavicular head from the medial half of anterior surface of the clavicle. Next is a insertion. It is going to insert in a U-shaped manner and lateral lip of a bicipital groove. So insertion lateral lip of the intertubercular sulcus or bicipital groove. Next, nerve supply by the medial and lateral pectoral nerves. Action by the medial rotation, adduction of the shoulder joint.